Here we have a G4 dressage saddle. We're going to flip it over, show you what's underneath. Underneath the saddle, we have an opening here. This opening allows us to get inside to replace the panels if they should ever wear out. The other thing is it allows us to move the panels back and forth and side to side. These panels are free floating to allow for movement from the horse. When you first get your saddle and you pull it out of the box, the panels may have shifted from shipping, and you want to make sure that they are even from left to right before riding in the saddle. You should have an even space between the panels at the front and also an even space between the panels at the back. If you don't, reach inside, push the panels to the outer edge on both sides, and then go ahead, close up the opening, and ride. After about 10 hours of riding, you'll notice the panels will stay in place very well. The other thing you'll notice on the underside of the saddle is there's some areas here that is called UBL, and this is an attachment for a knee block. We do have two options for knee blocks. One of the knee blocks is a standard knee block, and it comes with your saddle. The other knee block is called a mega block, and it's an option. It's quite a bit larger, quite a bit longer, deeper. When you place your knee blocks on your saddle, we'll use the standard ones for a demonstration, you can see where the bottom edge of the panel ends. That's where your knee block begins. You can place your knee block along the UBL so that it's not sticking out the front of the saddle, it's sticking in behind the edge binding. With the other knee block, ensure that you do place it in the same position, mirror image, as the other side. Having your knee blocks placed symmetrically from left to right of the saddle will ensure that your ride is nice and even. If you want more support from your knee block, you can move it further back. If you want less support, you can move it further forward, or you can remove it altogether. In any case, the knee blocks will affect your balance, will affect your saddle placement, and the support that you feel in your saddle. Stop.